Good evening, students. Today we are doing the 12th sum of exercise 17C. In the 12th sum, we have given this figure. In this figure, we have AB is parallel to CD and this is parallel to EF. It means all the three lines are parallel. Also, it is given that AD is parallel to BE. So, as we have given that AB is parallel to EF, this side AB is parallel to EF and this BE is transversal, right? So we can see here this angle is equal to this, as these two angles are alternate angles. So we can write angle ABE. Angle ABE is equals to angle BEF, and the reason is they are alternate angles. So we can write this y plus 30 is equals to this angle Z. So we have mentioned it as equation 1. Now also we have that AB is parallel to CD. This line AB is parallel to this line CD, and this AD is transversal. So these two angles are alternate angles, so they are equal. So we can write x is equals to 115, and the reason is the angles are alternate angles. From the given condition, we have AD is AD. This line is parallel to this BE, right? So these two angles, this angle and this angle, means this DAB and this AEB, they are co-interior angles. So we can write DAB plus ABE is equals to 180 degree, and these are co-interior angles. So the value of DAB is 115 and the angle of ABE, this is y plus 30. So here we have 115 plus y plus 30 is equals to 180. The sum of these two is 145 plus y is equals to 180. So y is 35. Now we have to put this value in this equation. So this gives 35 plus 30 is equals to z. It means z is equals to 65. So here you can see that z is equals to 65. Now we have to write the answer, that x is equals to 115, y is equals to 35 and z is equals to 65. Now the next question. Here you can see the 13th sum. It is 13th sum. The figure is like that. We have lines L, N and M are parallel. It is given in the figure, and P, R and Q, the three lines, are also parallel. So we have two pairs. In first pair we have L, N and M, these three lines, and the secondly we have P, Q and R, these three lines. So as given that L is parallel to N, L line is this is L line is parallel to N means this line, right? So here 100 and X both are co-interior angles. So the sum of these two is 180, and the reason is sum of co-interior angles, or you can also write simply co-interior angles. So we get X is equals to 180 minus 100, that is 80. Now it is also given that Q is parallel to R. So this is line Q and this is line R. So these two lines are parallel. Then we can write that X is equals to Y. Angle X is equals to angle Y, as both the angles are corresponding angles. So the reason is corresponding angles, right? As X is 80, so Y is also becomes 80. Now it is also given that P is parallel to R. As P is parallel to R, then we can write that Z is equals to X. Both positions are alternate angles, right? We can write z is equals to x because both are alternate angles. As x is 80, so z also becomes 80. Now it is also given that at L is parallel to M. So here you can see that L is parallel to M. This line is parallel to this, so these two are equal. So we can write that T is equals to 100 because of the position, they are alternate angles, right? So all we get all the angles, so we have to write the answer like x is equals to 80, y is equals to 80, z is 80 and t is 100. This is our answer. Now the next one. Yes, now the last sum of this exercise, 14th one. This is the figure, right? We have given this figure, P and Q are parallel and R, M, M are parallel, right? And L is the transversal. So here you can see that 270, 40 and X, they all are the angles of a point. So the sum of all the angles is 360. So from here we get 310 plus X is equals to 360 or X is 50. Now here you can see in the figure that Q is parallel to P. So here we get Z is equals to X. The position is corresponding angle, right? So as X is 50, so Z also becomes 50. Now the position of T and Z, they are making linear pair, though the sum of T and Z is 180. As they are making linear pair, putting the value of Z, so T plus 50 is 180, so T becomes 130. Now in the figure you can see that R is parallel to M, right? So the whole angle 40 plus X is equals to Y plus Z, right? Because the positions are corresponding angles. So we can write 40 plus X is equals to Y plus Z. The value of X is 50. So putting X is equals to 50 and the value of Z is also 50. So you have to put 50 in both the places. This gives 90 is equals to y plus 50. Y plus 50. So y becomes 90 minus 50, that is 40. So you got all the values. Here you get x is equals to 50, y is equals to 40 and z is 50 and t is 130. This is your answer of this question, right? So in the next class we will start a new chapter. Thank you.